Hi guys, this is Joanna Abdul Hamid, Seller Support Manager at Jazp.com. In this video, I would like to talk to you more about the benefits of being seller at Jazp.com. Jazp is a leading e-commerce platform in GCC countries. We have the best solutions to expand your business and innovate your business. Are you sellers who is looking for the best platform to sell your products to reach the thousands and millions of customers? We are here to help you. We have the best solutions to expand your business by listing the products into Jazp website, which is completely free of cost. This is something you are creating your own online store in Jazp platform. The sellers can be a company or an individual with the products can sell through Jazp, which will reach to the whole country users. The sellers will have their own brand pages, promotions, posting, etc. with all form of marketing to make the best user results. We have the best seller support assistants, catalog, logistics, marketing and accounts. For registration, kindly visit jazz.com, click on to sell with us and sign up. After successful registration with all the documents demanded,
The seller will be having access to very own dashboard.
we have dedicated catalog department to upload the products or list the items with all the Google AdWords and SEO keywords, which will result to end user benefits. This will help you to get more user result and visibility to the each item that are added to the site. Me and my team are super excited to onboard you guys. Join Jazp and let's grow together. Thank you.